Hello everybody, and welcome to this trailer of what you will be able to do after you finish this course. Now, most of the trailers for the online courses show you something that you can perform after you finish the course that includes using different people's scripts. And in this video, I will show you what you will be able to do after you actually go over the videos where we code our own tools. So this will all be possible using the tools that we code. So let's get straight into the first example. So first of all, I will open the terminal, and if you don't understand anything right here, don't worry, everything will be explained throughout the course. So the first attack is going to be by using the program or the malware that we coded in our C language. So right now, what I'm going to do is I will compile the malware.c, which then we are going to use in order to attack our Windows 10 target machine. So I will use the command for the compilation, and it looks something like this. So it will be called image.exe, and you will see just in a second why we are calling it like this. The actual file that we are using is malware.c, and we need to add some additional libraries that are going to help us compile this program. We also need to compile our server.c program, and I already have it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it right now. So right now we are running our server program, and all we are left to do is we are left to wait for the target to execute our payload. As you can see right here, this is our actual malware. It looks like an image, it has the image extension, and once the target actually executes it, it will open up an image. Now, the actual delivery method is up to you. Right now, we're only going to see how our malware executes. So let's run it. And you will see right here, it will open up two things. One of those is the image, and the other one is a Windows installer error. Now, this error right here, we coded on purpose into our program, so it will get prompted to the users. It is an optional thing, so once you get to the actual coding section of our malware C program, you will be able to remove this if you want. I just think it looks more believable as the program doesn't work. So the user will then click OK. The image will open up. As you can see, nothing else is opened, but if we go to our hacking machine, we have the connection from our target. And you can run any commands that you want, that you can actually execute in command prompt. You can also check the directory. You can change between the directories. You can see all the different files that are available on the target machine. So you can basically interact with the target system using this malware. And you will also see some different options that we are going to add in our malware.c. So this is the first example of what you can do using our own tools. I will simply just press here Q to quit our program, and then I will show you the second example using a tool that we built in Python. So right now I will go right here. I will go to the brute forcer, which is a directory where I have this actual program, and the program that we are going to call later in the course is called bruteforcer.py. And right here we have a login page to one of our vulnerable machines that I will also show how you can install later in the course. But here is the web page that requires some login information. So once we type something right here and click on login, you will see that it says login failed because we prompted the incorrect username and password. So let's see what happens once we run our brute forcer. So for this actual tool that we will code later on, we will need two things, which is the tool itself and the actual passwords.txt file or the password list. So I created a unique password list just for this actual example, which we'll also see later in the course. And now, once we run the actual bruteforcer.py, it will ask us for some information. The first information is enter page URL, and for that we simply just need to check out this URL right here and input it into the actual program. So before we input the URL, we need to add HTTP column and then 2 slashes, and then the IP address of our actual login page, then the directory, or it is dvwa, and then the actual path. So we will double check whether this is the path to our page, and it indeed is. Once we are sure that it is the path to our page, we press here enter. It will ask us for the username, so this program actually wants you to know the username to the login form. It will only brute force the passwords. So once you specify the username right here, which is going to be admin, it will start brute forcing, and you can see it will finish relatively quick, and it will find the username and password. As you can see right here, it tried all of these right here, and as soon as it came to the admin, it saw that it is the correct password for this account, therefore it prompted it right here. So now let's check whether it indeed is the correct password. Let's go right here and type admin, and password is also admin. And let's click on the login button, and you can see we successfully logged in. It asks us to actually save the password, and we have the page after the login page. So that would be about it for the actual trailer of what we are going to be able to do using our own tools. Now there are many more things that we are going to be able to do. These are just some of them. So make sure you stick till the end of the course to learn everything you can. Also, I will mention once again, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the question section. And also, if you have any advice or if you have any specific thing that you want me to add to the course, feel free to post it in the questions as well. And I will do my best to add everything that you guys want to see. So hope you enjoyed this little trailer, and I hope I will see you in the rest of the course. Bye!